Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you guys back. As usual, I've come with a different idea, with a really good idea for you guys. So what it is, this winter you can re-fluff your old fur and turn it into like really fluffy fur. What happened is I actually washed my coat the other day and I noticed that once I got it out of the washing machine, the fur looked really horrible. So I thought, why not do a video for you guys? So all I'm doing is you need a brush, hairbrush or a comb. If it's a wooden comb or plastic, it like a hairbrush, it doesn't matter. So all you need to do is just keep rubbing the fur with the brush and keep doing that. Smooth out the fur, keep smoothing out the fur with your hands until you have the desired look. And that's pretty much it. Actually, this is gonna take you about 2 to 3 minutes. This process is so easy, and this way you can give back a life to your old fur that was looking really weird, and yeah, that was just like looking quite dead. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it and have a look at the end result and watch the video until the end to see how it turned out at the end. Yeah, it's pretty much straightforward, and yeah, that's it really. Oh my god, just have a look at the end result. It looks so beautiful once again, and trust me, this process was so super easy, simple. Anyone can do this, you can do this and give back a new life to your old fur. It's pretty much straightforward. If you like the video, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to share this video if you enjoyed it, if you found it useful. Keep warm this winter. Love you all. Take care until next time. Bye.